Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I will tell you about the trading apps. As you know, I am telling about the trending apps that are used in trading strategy. In this video I will tell an more app that will be helpful in your trading. This is the IQ option app. So in this video I will give you the methodology that how to sign up in IQ option app. First of all, if you have the IQ option app, then you have to click the IQ option app and click on the sign up button. I use the Google Chrome and online sign up method, so I use Google Chrome. So first of all, click on the Google Chrome app. Then you can you can simply sign up the IQ option app and just click on the sign up button, and you will be find the interface of IQ option app. First of all, you have to enter the first name. I enter the first name, then last name, and then the country. When you enter the country, you have to enter your email address, which is you you are used in your mobile phone or laptop. Then you have to create a strong password in which you use the capital letter, hashtag, or at the rate, or dot, and number also. I use my password. You use your password as you like. Then click on the term and condition that you have older than 18 years. This is the best app for the trading online. This is the IQ option app. As you know that IQ option app is more used in previous years in Pakistan and all over the world. So this is the video about how to create an account on IQ option app. So this is video about the creating of account. So in the more video I will explain that how can you trading in using IQ option app. So click on the open an account for free. So the searching is proceed. Click on the save button, that if you forget the password, the mobile phone it saves your password, so you can use easily. So now guys, this will be the interface of IQ option app. I am successfully registered in IQ option app. So you can see the interface of IQ option apps. This is the trading now option, and on the right side you can see the country. On in the left option you can see the IQ option, three dots. You can see here Euro USDT, Euro USG, and simply click on the Euro USG option if you want to see the candlestick of trading. So this is the simple app in online trading industry. So this is proceeding and recommended me to download the IQ option app, but I am using an online condition, so I not download this app. But if you want to trade on a best way, you have to install this on your mobile phone or in your laptop. So installing is completing. Please wait for just minute. So it is in completing process. So guys, get attached with me to fully understand the IQ option app. IQ option app give you more benefit if you understand it completely in trading app, because many company are scams in nowadays due to the online trading, because online trading is give more benefit to you. So this is, guys, you are successfully registered. तो मैं तो me are registered successfully in this app. So if you want to start the trading, then clicking on the start button in the right side of my mobile phone. So this is the account registration process. In this video I will tell about you the sign up method of IQ option. So if you want to complete understand the IQ option, then watch this video and also watch other video. In this video I will tell you about the creating of account of IQ option, and I have also many videos that fully secured, and also I have also explained the more app that are used in trading app, but this app, IQ option app and Binance app, are the best app that use in trading online industry. So this is the video. I think you can enjoy this video and click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon, that if I if I upload any video about IQ option, you can easily access this video. Thanks guys.